friends. Welcome to another episode of How Does Your Garden Grow? You know, I decided I wanted to share this with you. I'm doing something that I've never done before, and that is I'm making a mini greenhouse. I found out that you can make a mini greenhouse with simply a plastic bin and a bag of dirt. So I'm going to try it, and we're going to see what happens. So what you grow in a mini greenhouse are the kind of greens that you might eat on a daily basis in a salad. So there might be some spinach, there might be some lettuce, there might be some little beet greens or some sunflower seeds. Oh yeah, and these are the ones that were harvested this summer, right in this garden. So we're gonna try it and see what happens. Okay, so the first thing is that you take the top of the bin and put that on the bottom, all right? And I'm feeling like I should punch a couple of holes in the bag. So I think I'm gonna do that first. So I'm just gonna lift it up and give it a couple of jabs like this, just to make sure it doesn't get soggy in there, but I'll do my best not to overwater, right? Okay, so we're going to cut around the bag a nice opening, and we're going to make sure the sides are kind of tall so that the dirt doesn't fall out. So we'll just get started. We'll poke a hole like this and cut like so. That. I don't know if you can see what I'm doing here. I'm going to cut it this way. Good cut here. Here we go. Okay, then I'll cut the back part right over here next to me. Here it comes, here it comes. And here we go. We're almost there. Okay, wow, look at that. Next, we're just gonna pop the seeds in here, okay? All right, it's all ready. My goodness, I can't believe it. It's so easy. So here we go. Let's do the sunflower seeds. I'm really interested as to whether or not they're going to sprout. Since I grew the sunflowers myself and harvested the sunflowers, we'll see what happens. So here we go. We'll start over here. We'll just put 2 in a hole. And we're putting them fairly close because, remember, these are not going to grow up into sunflowers. They're going to grow only up into little leaves that will then go in my salads. So we can put them pretty close together. Probably closer than I'm putting them right now. Put one there, put one here. Just really pack them in here. And we'll cut them and eat them and then plant some more when they're all done. All right, so we got our sunflowers. I'm gonna put a label right here so I know. Sometimes, you know, you think you don't forget, but you forget. So they're in. And we'll do the watering when we get all the seeds in. I also have, I call these microgreens, and they are called upland cress. Upland cress is really, cress is really good for you. Very healthy greens. So here we go. We're gonna put them in. They're smaller than sunflower seeds. Kind of like, I think, mustard seeds. Oh yeah, really small. Okay, so they're going in right next to the sunflowers, all right? And I'm just going to sprinkle them in here because they're so tiny and I want a lot of them. I want to clip them off in, you know, a good amount at a time, so I can enjoy them in my salad. And you can even just eat them with salad dressing or just munch on them. I'm excited to see what's going to happen. Let's just do a little bit more. Okay, now I'm just going to put them down in the soil like this with my fingers. I think most of them are going down there. Yeah. Okay. This is great. All right. So the cress is in. Add it over. Maybe bring a little bit from over here. Like that. Now the wonder beets. I love beets. I know a lot of people don't like beets, but I love beets, and I love them cooked in a little bit of orange juice. And I like putting beets in my juices that I make. Okay, so got that. Now it's called the early wonder beet. Here we go. Let's take a look. I wonder what these seeds look like. You know, seeds are interesting, really. You know, every seed has its own special, unique character. So here we go. Beet seeds. They look different, don't they? Okay. They're going in. You're going in. You're going in. In for a landing. I'm going to do the same way that I did the others, because we're cutting these when they're just a couple inches tall, and then we'll put more in if we need to, when we need to. All right, so here I go with my fingers, letting them drop down into the soil. Okay, beets, do your thing in there. Do your thing. Don't want to see any of you on the outside of this dirt. You got to be covered up. Come on. Get in there. Get in there. I'm going to do a couple more on this side. Get in there. Okay, here we go. And that's it. They're in. Everything is in. Now, we're going to water. Oh, I should label, huh? You got upland cress right here. And wonder beets. Wonder beets, yes indeed. All right, I've got my watering can, and we're gonna put the water in. Here we go. I'm gonna try not to overdo it. Get everything nice and wet. Give them a good soak on the first day. And guess what we're going to do now? Yes, we're going to put the clear plastic bin on top. Here we go. What do you think? Will they get enough sunlight? We'll find out. Stay tuned for the next episode of How Does Your Garden Grow? See ya.